Yeah, welcome students. Today one more the physical chemistry most important topic is the Bronsted-Lowry theory. To overcome the drawbacks in the Arrhenius theory, Bronsted and Lowry independently proposed this theory. It also covers the major important aspect is the conjugate acid-base theory. According to the Bronsted and Lowry, acid can be defined a chemical species or a substance which can capable to donate proton donor to other substances, that is said to be as an acid. All proton donor HCl, HNO3, acetic acid like, where according to the Bronsted and Lowry theory the base can be defined. Here the chemical species which can capable to accept proton acceptors are called as a Bronsted and Lowry bases. OH minus, Cl minus, CH3COO minus, like all proton acceptors are called as a basis and proton donor is called as an acid. Here this theory's mainly functions are based on the proton, hence this is called as a proton theory. Now here with the help of one example we will reveal what is the conjugate acid base theory is. When hydrochloric acid is dissolved in water, what the forward reaction one can expect? Acid donated proton, as a result it gets converted into Cl minus as well as what? H3O plus ion. Here HCl is donated one proton to the water and it becomes Cl minus. What the HCl according to Bronsted-Lowry is a acid. Where H2O is accepted a proton from the HCl, that's what it is called as what? Base. As far as the backward reaction is concerned, the Cl minus is gets converted into HCl that accepted a proton from the hydronium ion. Hence the proton acceptor is called base and proton donor is called acid. This is one particular example. Another example is when ammonia is dissolved in water. What the forward reaction? Due to the presence of lone pair of electron, it gets converted into what? Ammonium ion. And the resultant is OH minus ion. Here proton is donated by H2O molecule to the NH3. Then NH3 is accepted a proton, hence it is called base. H2O is donated proton, that's what acid. As far as the backward is concerned, NH4 plus become NH3 means it is donated one proton. Proton donor is called acid and proton acceptor is called what? Base. Very important one. Here HCl is an acid. What is its conjugate counterpart is a base. That's what it is called, conjugate base. H2O is a base. What about the H3O plus is a conjugate acid. What is the difference between them? How many protons are differ or how many H plus ions are differ? Only one H plus ion. Here is also only one H plus ion. Acid and a base which differ by a single proton, that we call what? Conjugate acid base pair. A pair of an acid and base which differ by a single proton is known as a conjugate acid base pair. One more. Here acid to base means what? Acid is getting converted to base is nothing but what we need to do? Remove one proton. Here to a base gets converted into conjugate acid. What do I need to do? Add one proton. Removal of the proton from an acid, it become converted into conjugate base. Addition of proton to the base, it gets converted into conjugate acid. Now NH3 and NH4 plus, this one is base and what is it, sir? Conjugate acid. What is the difference between them? Single proton. A pair of an acid and base which differ by a single proton. Here is also H2O is getting converted to OH minus. Here is also the difference is only one proton. Acid and base pair which differ by a single proton, that's what it is called, conjugate acid base pair. Next one. In the particular example, H2O is acting as a base. In this particular example, H2O is acting as acid. The substances which acting both acid and base that we call as a amphiprotic are also called amphoteric substances. Next one. Here is when strong acid is dissolved in water, its acidic strength is equalizes to the hydronium ion or H3O plus ion or H plus ion. As well as when a strong base is dissolved in water, its basic strength is equalizes to the OH minus ion. That's what this effect of the water is called as a leveling effect of water. Important one, leveling effect of water, conjugate acid base pair and amphoteric substances. Now examples about the conjugate bases as well as the conjugate acid. We know well the acid after the removal of the proton will get a conjugate base. To the base, if the proton is added, what we call conjugate acid. One more important thing, if the acid is a strong, then its conjugate base is a weak. If the acid is a weak, conjugate counterpart is a strong. It is also an important concept in salt hydrolysis procedure. Like for example, if the HCl is given, we need to learn the question perfectly because whether they ask conjugate acid or conjugate base. Now I am concerning about the conjugate base. Removal of the proton, what? Cl minus. We know well HCl is a strong acid. What is the conjugate base? Is a weak base. H2SO4 is given sulfuric acid. What is the conjugate base of the sulfuric acid? HSO4 minus hydrogen sulfate, or also called bisulfate. Again, does it possible one more conjugate base or not? Yes, since the H2SO4 is a diprotein, hence it forms what? Sulfate ion. Does H2SO4 and SO4 minus 2 is a conjugate acid base pair? No. Why? The difference between them is the two protons are there, but according to the definition, there should be only one proton default. HNO3 is given nitric acid. What is the conjugate base directly? NO3 minus. Strong acid, weak base. Acetic acid is given CH3COOH is given. What is the conjugate base? Is the CH3COO minus. Acetic acid is a weak acid. What about its conjugate counterpart? Is a strong base. Acetate ion is a very strong. Hydrogen cyanide HCN is a weak acid. What about its conjugate counterpart? Conjugate base is a strong. Like this, as far as the conjugate basis is concerned, simply removal of the proton. Next, some examples is about the conjugate acids are. Here, conjugate acid of Cl minus, what it become? HCl. Conjugate acid of O minus 2, what that? OH minus. What is the conjugate acid of OH minus? H2O. What is the conjugate acid of H2O? H3O plus ion. Acid, simply add proton. Base, simply remove the proton. Here, N minus 3 is given. What is the conjugate acid? NH minus 2. What is the conjugate acid? NH2 minus. Again, NH3. Again, NH4 plus. Sulfide ion is given. What is the conjugate acid? HS minus. What is the conjugate acid? H2. Yes, hydrogen sulfide, rotten eggs smell. Next. N3 minus is given. What is the conjugate acid of N3 minus? What we need to write? N3H, very important one, that is hydrozoic acid. Here anilinium ion is given. PHNH3 plus is given, or PHNH2 is given. Aniline. What is the conjugate acid of aniline? Is a PHNH2. NH2 become NH3. That we call anilinium ion. Like this, addition of the proton becomes conjugate acid, removal of the proton becomes conjugate base. The few more examples regarding the conjugate base. We know well the base is nothing but removal of the proton. Here is the ethyl alcohol is given. By the loss of the proton, what the obtained one is a ethoxide ion. Next one, phenol is given, removal of the proton, the formed one is a phenoxide ion. This is a conjugate base of phenol. Very important example that comes under complex compound, hexa aqua ferrum 3 ion is given. Here I want to write the conjugate base. Means what we need to do? Remove the proton simply. Here, for the sake of my convenience, H2O taken 5 times. Again another molecule I am writing H plus and OH minus. As a result, if one proton it is lost, what the formed one? FeH2O taken 5 times, OH minus is there. OH minus and plus 3, that reduces to plus 2. Very, very important one. What is the conjugate base of hydrogen? Very, very important one. Here, hydrogen containing atomic number is a 1. That's what it will contain 1 electron as well as a 1 proton. What is the difference between conjugate acid and base? Loss of 1 proton. If it lost its proton, what is the conjugate base of the hydrogen? Is a electron. Most important one. Conjugate base of the hydrogen is electron. Then here I need to write which one is a acid and which one is a base. Previously asked a question by giving this example like ABCD. The conjugate acid base pairs are. What happens here? AlH2O taken 6 times. Hexa, aqua, aluminium 3 ion is given and the bicarbonate ion. Bicarbonate ion gets converted into carbonic acid. Means it accepted proton from this complex. Proton acceptor, what we call this one? Base. It is donated proton, that's what? Acid. Now, here is the carbonic acid gets converted into bicarbonate ion or a hydrogen carbonate ion. It donated 1 proton to this one, that becomes what? Acid. And it accepted a proton to gets converted into complex is a base. Next example. The conjugate acid of acid. What we need to do? Add proton. What it become? Bicarbonate ion. Again one more proton it added. What it become? H2CO3 carbonic acid. Sulfate ion. What the conjugate acid is a HSO4 minus. Again what? H2SO4. Phosphate ion. What it become? HPO4 minus 2. Again H2PO4 minus. Again H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid is an important one. These are the some examples about the conjugate acid pair. If work hard or if you get any doubt, please comment in comment box. Thank you.